Hi all, in this video we'll learn about how to add user and to provide access to them. Go to the users tab present in my company module. The page contains the list of all the users connected with your company. To add a new user, click on the add user present in the top right corner. Fill in the details like name of the user, email, choose the department and facility for which you want to give the access. For every user, you can set the permission access for each module present in the AsterDocs. This allows you to control the access of each user with a specific period. The permission can only be provided by the admin, that is the first user who created the company. Access are of three types: full access, read-only and edit-only access. You can also set the expiration date of the access. The added user will receive a welcome email through AsterDocs where they will receive the login credentials. Here the user needs to log in with that password and then they can change and set the new password. The admin can also shift the role of another user by changing primary contact. If any second user wants to join to DBI LLC, as it is an existing company present in AsterDocs network, they can follow the previously step for signing in. Here they need to have the same domain of DBI LLC. The user has set the new password and now the user logs in to the account. Right now the user has limited access. Now the admin will receive an email of the new user joining to their company and he or she can set the permission for the new user. As you can see, the user is successfully added and now the admin can change the access. Here the admin allows the access. For this, you need to set the access modules, the access group and the expiration date. The user is successfully added and the access has been granted.